Hi everyone, it's Miss Hannah. I want to first start off by thanking you all for voting for the book of the week. We had a lot of people participate, so that makes me really happy. And the book that won for this week is Clifford the Big Red Dog. The author of Clifford the Big Red Dog is Norman Bridwell, and I believe he is also the illustrator since there is not one listed, and that means he wrote the words and drew the pictures. This book is about a special friendship between a girl and her dog. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. And some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. Oh no. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. Clifford is so big, he is bigger than the house. We play camping out, and I don't need a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars. He catches some of them. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. He digs up flowers. Clifford loves to chew shoes. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too. But he's a very good watchdog. The bad boys don't come around anymore. One day, I gave Clifford a bath. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? The end. I hope you all enjoyed that book. Just like last week, I'm going to send out a link where you can vote on the next books. The choices will be Pig the Pug, and there's a Wocket in my packet. Thank you.